sing our favorite song. Rah, 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 rah. Rah, 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 rah. Quincy, I swear there's something wrong with you, buddy. What dog sits like that on the stairs? Quincy, guess what day it is tomorrow? It's Christmas! Woohoo! Yeah!
Ask me if I do this every day. I said often.
Run.
Quincy, you want to go on a road trip? Oh my God! Say hi to me! Oh, he's getting hard! Quincy, what are you doing? What are you doing here? Scratch me if you love me. Oh, no. Yes.
Quincy, we are going on a road trip! Woo! Yes! Absolutely!
Quincy, it's time to go to the vet.
Run.
Come here! Hi! Oh, Quincy! Come back! Quincy, where are you going? Quincy, please don't leave me! Please!
Will you hold my hand? Oh, won't you
stay? Quincy, I graduated college! Woo! Yes! Quincy, I'm sad! Quincy, your favorite show, Scooby-Doo, is on! Scooby-Dooby-Doo! Cause I love you! I'm taking you to the vet! Quincy, you hate the vet. Quincy, we ran out of data this month. Quincy, can I have your cell phone, please? Oh! We ran out of dog food. Quincy! No barking! No. Quincy! Quincy, give me a woohoo! Hey, Quincy, guess what? Oh. Okay. Quincy, show me how you're happy. Wow! Yes! I know! Quincy, I'm going to take this bone right here. I'm going to take this bone. 911, what's your emergency? We need an ambulance! We need an ambulance! There it is! Quincy, I'm sad! Look at when he's super calm. The minute you say, Tony! Hey, Quincy, you're getting your balls chopped off today. Oh, gee, Quincy!
It's been so long that I haven't seen you.
Quincy!
Can I have these candy canes, please? I touched it. What are you gonna do?
Howl if you love me. Do it. Howl. Howl. Oh. Quincy, if you don't get up, we're not going to Disneyland. Quincy, laugh with me. Quincy, come here! Come Quincy's first swim! Come on, go, Quincy, go! Go, Quincy, go!
Walk?
Quincy, it's about that time. Let's go record some vines. Me and you. Quincy, can I have this bag right here, please?
I said I can't live with you anymore. You leave your stuff everywhere. You bring girls here every night. You live like an animal. Listen to me.
Quincy, howl like a wolf. Quincy, the DNA test came back. You are the father.
I love you, you love me.
Quincy, please come back. Please. Please, just come. Please. 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 Thank you.
Quincy, I think you're a cat. Yeah, you're a cat.
Quincy, if you bark one more time, you're going to go in timeout. Oh, timeout.